In Palm Springs, California, the Kaufman Desert House was designed by architect Richard Neutra in 1946. Its horizontally extended roof carves out shadows and order. Large glass surfaces completely connect the interior with the desert. Steel, stone, and light achieve a precise balance in the extreme climate. The house is broken down into multiple horizontal volumes, spreading outward to allow wind to pass through and light to penetrate, while keeping residents in the most direct contact with nature. Here, walls are no longer boundaries but interfaces that can open, slide, or disappear. Spaces are no longer enclosed, flowing between interior and desert. From the heat of the day to the cooling of dusk, the house acts as a precise climate machine, responding to nature rather than opposing it. The Kaufman Desert House is a minimalist answer to human-environment coexistence.